Morning, morning, and welcome to the channel where you can hear the scripture reading in your own Jamaican language right here, so 5 o'clock every morning. And remember to run and call your friends, and do not forget to like, share, and of course, subscribe. Well, this morning I'm going to read to you from the book of Mark, chapter 13, verse 1 to 8. If you want to hear about me or read about me, you can check the description box below.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
Mark 13, 1 to 8. Jesus did a left the yard where God hosted there, when one of him follower them run and said, "Teacher, look, you see how them building are big and pretty? And look how them stone here were dep on them big." Jesus answered him, say, "You see them big pretty building here? Every one of them are going to get tear down. Not even one of them stone here are going to left on top of them one another. The whole of them are going to lick down." So when Jesus did a sit down on Mount Olive cross from God's house, Peter, James, John, and Andrew come to him one away and ask him, say, "Tell we, and when all of them sitting here, are going to happen? And what sign we can look for, we only see them are going to happen?" Jesus said to them, say, "Watch out. No make nobody fool you up. Cause a whole heap of people are going to come use up my name. And I say, me a Christ and me a God send for save people. And them are going to fool up enough people. When you hear about war near and far, no bother make them sitting there frightened uno. Them sitting there bound for happen. About that, no mind. Say I done the world I done. Cause one set of people are go war against one next set of people. And one kingdom are go fight against one another kingdom. Earthquake are go happen in enough place. Food are go short. And enough people are go starve. And the way people are go suffer, it are go come in like the first pain where lick one woman when she take in to have baby. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.